Welcome to this new video. I'm the PC Collector, and in today's project I'm going to bring you one of the oldest machines I have around, and one which has been with me for quite a long time. I'm speaking of this Toshiba Satellite T2130CT. Quite medium-end machine from mid-1995. According to the data, this model was launched in June of 1995, which is current with a warranty label which has in the belly, which marks at the end of the warranty as July of 1997, which is fitting considering that is the minimum warranty in Spain. So, but that's quite nice. The machine is it's the typical mid-end machine for that time, because by that time machines with Pentium CPUs were not common, so laptops with Intel 486 DX4 like this one were close to the top end. This machine features an Intel 486 DX4 running at 75 MHz, 16 megabytes of RAM, although it should be 24. I think that the expansion card is mislabeled. And well, it used to have a hard drive, but the hard drive died quite a while ago. It has two PCMC slots here, and the floppy drive to the other side. You'll notice that the case is in very poor shape, as with all those Toshiba laptops. The plastic has aged very poorly, and this machine is in quite a poor shape. So yeah. This machine is in need of maintenance, because besides of needing a new hard drive, which I'm going to solve with using an SD2 IDE adapter, it also requires the CMOS battery to be replaced. And well, this backup battery is quite dead, so I'm going to remove it as well to make sure that it won't give any other trouble. So this is the backup battery, which is no longer needed, and I'm going to carefully remove the CMOS battery. So I don't want to screw it up. It would be a problem if I do. So let's try to very carefully. Okay, nice. So now I'm going to replace the battery with the usual procedure which I have already covered in a tutorial which you have here. So let's get to the job. It says that it should use a 2430 battery, but I'm 100% sure that it will work as well without any issue with a normal 2032 standard battery, which we would use for most machines. Well, now that I have a new battery, I just have to manage to plug it in and place the battery in its place. So now it's time to get it a drive or something which can act as such. Well, 1 GB card, 1 GB card, 8 GB, 4 GB. I think I don't have 1 GB cards. Gigabyte. I was pretty sure I had 1 GB. Where's the smallest card I have? Because there's no point in using a much bigger card on this. Okay, I found a couple of cards, but I'm not sure of what they'll have, but I don't care either. I'm pretty sure. Oh, it has the notch, so it can only be plugged one way. I didn't know it had it. So nice. So card is on, the rest of the parts are on, battery is ready. Time to close this up. And see if I can make this work properly. I remember this machine gave trouble with the floppy drive because I had to adapt the original cable, which is not non-standard, to use a standard floppy drive because the original floppy drive was dead. So let's hope it will work properly. Well, now that this is ready, I have the floppies ready, so it's time to get this running. Ooh, what's wrong here? Okay, it seems that the cable is not too well. Okay, suppose this is one thing that I've never known how to do is how are you supposed to set the real-time clock on this machine? Well, let's hope that it works. Well, it was trying to boot, but didn't boot. That's because of the cable. I once again suppose, let's see if like this, I've loosened the keyboard a bit. Non-system. Okay, I'm not sure if you are being able to read it, because but well, it seems that it refuses to read the floppy. Nope. It refuses to properly read the floppy. It refuses to read. Non-system disk or disk error. No, it's not capable of reading. Well, this unfortunately means that this project ends here, because I know where the problem is, but it doesn't have any easy solution, and it won't be fixed anytime soon. So well, I'm sorry, but yeah, there's not much else I can do. So well, I can't do anything but to finish the project here, and I'll look for another project to do. I mean, this doesn't have other option than booting from the floppy drive, and even if I manage to install anything on it, there's nothing I can do without the floppy drive. So I have to see you in the next project, because yeah, this one will be resumed on a future date when I have managed to fix the issue with the floppy drive. So well, you now have seen how it is when things doesn't go like you want, and well, I hope to see you in the next project.